Chances of survival are almost zero.
Wait, you never said anything.
The holiday meal. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal.
Oh, no. How many have seen opening the heart before? Let's do something else. I got it. Here we go.
Owen Wilson
Turkey!
Turkeys are so dumb, they think the farmers are sexy. Turkeys.
Percy's going to Turkey.
But the truth is, I've always been a little bit.
What?
The truth is, I've always been a little.
What?
We're menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first war to get Turkey off the map.
Destroyed turkeys.
And
Who are you talking to?
this guy right here.
Osmanlı ulusu sizi selamlar. Yavaş.
He totally gets it.
My time machine.
Initiating launch sequence.
Krabby Patty, here I come!
I am JK.
Vote for me if you want to live.
Your eyes hypnotize.
Wow.
It's all about comic.
Cock.
Cock.
Come with me.
Ambrod, leader of the flock.
I am gonna relax if it kills me.
I came back to make sure we stop and appreciate yourself. You're an idiot.
Dude, that's awesome.
Awesome.
Yes, totally awesome.